Hey kings and queens, peace, love and light. So just wanted to announce that we have 6 new products and services available. We have our herbal infused oils. We use all natural virgin coconut oil. We have our herbal infused honey, which has a wide variety of benefits. So check out that video. We have honey for weight loss, for immune system building, for your daily immune booster, for removing parasites, for improving your overall gut health, for boosting your sex drive, for energy, for so many benefits. But what we're going to cover today, we're not going to talk about our capsules. We're not going to talk about our organic nuts. We're going to talk about our immune juice and our chlorophyll. Now, guys, you know that I've been selling chlorophyll for almost a year now. You see the many medicinal benefits of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is good for blood pressure regulation, blood sugar regulation, mucus removal, hormonal regulation, anti-aging properties, blood detoxification, increases your sex drive, oxygenates your blood, detoxifies your liver, improves blood circulation, weight loss, removal of parasites, improves your skin, and so much more. That's just the chlorophyll. Do you know what we have for you right now? We have a immune juice now for you. So some persons worried about the taste of the chlorophyll. We answered the call for you and we have an immune juice for you. The immune juice is made with all natural ingredients. We use all natural sweeteners such as honey. We went all the way to Portland yesterday, guys, and we have a gallon of honey. So the flavor for the immune juice is turmeric and ginger. We're starting off with turmeric and ginger. We might branch off and do other flavors, but for now, we're doing turmeric and ginger immune juice. It is very tasty. It is also flavorful as well. It is sweet. It doesn't have the aftertaste of the chlorophyll. So we have it in 16 ounce going all the way up to 1 gallon bottles. So yeah, guys, if you want to be hardcore, you can drink your chlorophyll. It has a wide variety of benefits that I just listed. If you don't want to drink the chlorophyll and you want something more tastier because you want to start your health journey on a small note, you can go with the immune juice. It is very potent, it is very beneficial, and it gives you a wide amount of energy, guys. So if you want to build your body in so many ways, we have a wide variety of products and services. We have capsules. We use vegan capsules, guys. It's biodigestible. If you want to get nuts and seeds, we have over 50 nuts and seeds. Let me just list them one more time. We have cashews, we have almond, we have peanut, we have cranberry, we have walnut, pistachio, Brazilian nut, chia seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, flaxseed, prunes, and raisin. We have our herbal infused honey. We have our herbal infused oils. Guys, you don't have any reason to not want to become the better version of your best self. I have taken out all the hard work out of it for you. I've made it more easier, convenient, and cheaper for you to be healthy, for you to eat better, and for you to become the better version of your best self. So yeah, guys, your move. It's your time to shine. Reach out to us. Work on yourself. I love you and I appreciate you.